Ever felt like you're playing a loyalty points game, but the rewards are, well, underwhelming? You're swiping, tapping, and accumulating, hoping for that big payoff, but it often feels like chasing a phantom. Especially when we talk about digital wallets like GrabPay, right? Convenient? Absolutely. Rewarding? That's the question we're tackling today. We all know the drill: GrabPay for those quick food deliveries, ride-hailing, and even in-store purchases. It's become a staple in many of our digital lives, promising rewards and cashback. But, let's be honest, those points often feel like they're slowly trickling in, and the redemption options, sometimes, they just don't hit the mark. So, you're left wondering, is there something better out there? Something that truly maximizes your spending power? Today, we're diving deep into the world of payment cards, exploring options that might just outshine GrabPay in terms of rewards, flexibility, and overall value. We're not just talking about a slight upgrade, we're talking about a potential game changer. First up, let's consider the power of traditional credit cards. While GrabPay excels in the digital wallet space, credit cards often offer a wider range of benefits. Think about cashback percentages that actually make a difference, travel miles that can take you places, and exclusive perks like airport lounge access. Many credit cards offer robust reward systems, often tiered to match your spending habits. For instance, some cards offer higher cashback on dining or groceries, while others focus on travel or online purchases. This tailored approach can significantly boost your returns compared to the more generalized rewards of a digital wallet. Then there's the flexibility. GrabPay is tied to its ecosystem, limiting where you can redeem your points. Credit cards, on the other hand, often let you redeem rewards for cash, statement credits, or a wide range of merchandise and experiences. This flexibility gives you more control over how you use your rewards, making them more valuable in the long run. Moreover, credit cards often come with added security features like fraud protection and purchase protection, offering peace of mind that GrabPay might not always provide. These protections can be crucial, especially when dealing with larger transactions or unexpected issues. Let's not forget about the potential for building credit. Responsible credit card use can significantly improve your credit score, opening doors to better financial opportunities in the future. This is a long-term benefit that GrabPay simply can't offer. Now, it's not about bashing GrabPay. It's a fantastic tool for its specific purpose. But, if you're looking for a payment solution that offers more substantial rewards, greater flexibility, and added security, exploring traditional credit cards is definitely worth your consideration. Do your research, understand your spending habits, and find a card that aligns with your financial goals. You might just find that the rewards you've been searching for are closer than you think. You might just find a card that truly elevates your spending experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.